I'm going to show you how to navigate basic lines and curves in Rhino. So let's start off with a line. You can have a line in ortho mode or not, and you can do it at any angle, at any distance. So let's say like 20 feet, enter. I'm going to do a line again. I can do it both sides, right? So let's say 20 feet again, but that's going to be 40 feet total. I can do a line again. I can do it normal. So that's going to be perpendicular to any reference object that I click here, here. A better example is if I do a circle, I do line, and I do normal, and I select the reference object, click, click. I can also do line, I can do tangent, I can press T for tangent, and it works good on curves and only on curves. So I can go here, right? And then I can click again, we do it again, T for tangent, here, here. You see, it'll draw a line tangent to any curve. I can also draw a line vertical. So I do line, but you want to be in perspective space. So if I go here, I do V for vertical, I can click here and go up. So that's a vertical line in space, you see? Now the next things that we have lines and polylines. These are lines, so it's always going to be open. So if I draw a line like this, and a line like that, and a line like this, it's not closed until I join it. Now if I do a polyline, that's closed and it's continuous. You can also have open polylines. So if I click here, here, this polyline is open. Now the next thing I want to show you are curve points or control point curves and interpolate point. So control point curve is going to average out your curvature. So if I click here, 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 there. You see, if I click here, it's averaging out the bends wherever I clicked. If I do interpolate point curve, it's going to bend exactly where I click. You see? Now, I can edit these. I can do insert control point. And that's going to, let me zoom in here. Do you see how the control point is following my original clicking locations? That's what a control point will do. So I click here, boom, you see? So it's going to follow this original location of the control points. I can do insert not, right? And that's going to offset wherever I click on the curve the control points. If I click here, enter. So do you see how it pulled it off right there? I can do insert kink, and that's going to give you like a sharp transition. So if I click here, for example, enter. So do you see? And I pull this, it's a very sharp transition. So there's a lot of ways of modifying. I hope you found this helpful.